So we're on video 2 for week 2 in FWKI, and I'm starting at slide number 10. So you're going to start your field placement search, looking for an employer who's willing to host you for what's probably going to be a remote placement, but not necessarily. So think about, what are your goals for this placement? Do you want to find an experience that's in a specific geographical location because you want something close to home, because maybe it will be in person, or when you graduate, maybe you want to be able to get a job with a local company, and so you want to build up your local network of contacts. Are there specific skills that you want to get experience using so that you'll be able to put on your resume you've actually not just got classroom experience applying this IT skill, but actual workplace experience? I don't know what your goals are, but think about them. So they'll help guide you and determine what employers you contact. Before you start contacting them, though, so still some other things to think about. Make sure that you understand all of the work that's involved that you're going to have to do, so you allocate enough time. See also these things, click through and read them. So the field placement process document right here. This is what it looks like. This is the first page of it. This goes through and lists all of the things that you're going to have to do throughout your placement. So when you contact a company, you decided you want to contact a company in Uxbridge because you live in Uxbridge, and you want an IT company in Uxbridge. So you contacted an IT company, and you make a great sales pitch when you pick up the phone. Hi, my name is, I'm looking for a field placement. I have the following skills. And you say some things that you know because they had a job posting recently that they really are looking for at their company. And then you say, would you be able to help me? And they say, sure. What do I have to do? Well, make sure you know what you have to do. So make sure, again, that you've looked at all of these forms and you understand what the whole process is, all the way through down to the bottom down here, step 6 or step 7, whatever it is. So know the whole process. Okay, so let's find some placements. So just like when you were in ITSE class, there were some different ways that I suggested for finding informational interview employers, like people to interview. Same thing, you're going to use those same tools, those are some ideas, to identify potential employers. So this slide, or I'll just go back here. Well, okay, this slide has links, so if you're watching the video, you need to have the PowerPoint open, and you'll be able to click through these hypertext links. We'll do this in class on Monday for those of you who want to attend the synchronous class time. And I'll show you how to use Scott's directory to identify specific businesses and specific locations and get the contact information for people. So you can pick up the phone, ideally, or email them to try to get a placement. Don't forget, though, you can also use your personal network. And this is where some of us are more fortunate than others. You might have parents or friends, or your friends' parents, who might be working somewhere who would be willing to advocate for you or give you the contact name of someone who works in IT at their workplace. Okay, so maybe you work at Best Buy and you don't want the retail experience, you're working in retail, but somebody at Best Buy might know the person that you contact who looks after the infrastructure, the website, or something like that, can give you a name to contact. If you're in class, we'll also take a look at the postings that I'm going to have up in DC Connect. Okay, so I'm going to wrap up here and do one more video with the final 2 slides.